Confluence pricing explained what you get for your money. Confluence pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Confluence is just a document editor. The surprising truth is, Confluence is a collaborative workspace designed to help teams create, organize, and share knowledge efficiently. The free plan supports up to 10 users, offering basic page creation, collaborative editing, and simple integration with Jira. It's perfect for small teams, but lacks analytics, permissions management, and advanced templates. The standard plan, at $75 per user per month, adds page analytics, version history, advanced search, and user management features. This is ideal for growing teams that need structured collaboration and better control over content. The premium plan costs per user per month and includes analytics, advanced permissions, automation, and priority support. Enterprise pricing is custom and provides additional security, compliance, and dedicated support for large organizations. Confluence's real strength is combining rich documentation with seamless collaboration. Teams can link pages to Jira issues, create knowledge bases, manage projects, and automate repetitive tasks. Integration with Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace ensures smooth workflow across platforms. In conclusion, Confluence's pricing aligns with organizational size and collaboration needs. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, understanding the plans ensures you invest in tools that enhance productivity, knowledge sharing, and team efficiency.